Tired of making emotional trades? You see a move, hesitate for a second, then either miss the entry or chase too late. Or maybe you are stuck watching charts all day, only to walk away and boom, the perfect opportunity shows up. What if you could eliminate all of that? What if a smart AI could scan the market 24/7, analyze price action, enter and exit trades instantly without any emotion, hesitation, or burnout? Well, that's exactly what the Mastermind AI bot does. And in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to set it up on MetaTrader 5 for your scalping gold, one of the most profitable assets in the market today. You don't need to be a coding expert. You don't need years of trading experience. I'll show you everything from installing the bot, optimizing settings to managing risks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully automated gold scalping system running right on your MetaTrader 5, ready to execute trades while you focus on living your life. So hit that like button, subscribe if you are new, and let's dive into it. The first step is to download the Mastermind AI. The link is in the description below. So after that, you'll open your MetaTrader 5, you'll download the Mastermind AI, and then you unzip the files. After you unzip the files, click the EA, it will directly take you to the MetaTrader 5. Or if you're using the MetaTrader 4, it will take you to the MetaTrader 4. Once you download the Mastermind AI, I'll give you an additional EA for free. Let's see the options that the Mastermind AI has given us. And we have the Awesome Source EA and the Best Gold Robot. Let's first backtest the Awesome Source EA and see the results. Remember, we are only using $100 on this account. So this is the free EA that I'll be giving you, and it will run on EURUSD and on a 1 hour time frame. Let's do some inputs. So as you can see here, the maximum daily loss currency, we've set it as 0. The maximum daily drawdown, we've set it as 0. Basically everything is 0 up to maximum equity currency. Let's just go ahead and start the backtest. I'll speed up this process so that you do not have to go through all the visualization process. As you can see, this is the graph from $100 to 140. We had a bit of drawdowns, but it later recovered and we reached to $140. So this one, that is for EURUSD. Now let's go to test gold, and we are going to use this robot test, and then we look for gold. We're going to click symbol. So we are going to click symbol, and then we look for gold. Metals, gold. We'll use the 5-minute time frame. The deposit will be $100, and then we start the test. This is the result of the scalping gold robot. We started with an initial deposit of $1,000. The net profit is $917.84. Equity drawdown relative is 60.45%. The balance drawdown relative is 54.47%, and the equity drawdown relative is 60.45%. As you can see here, this is a graph of our EA, and it is plotted by entries by hours, profits and losses by hours, entries by weekends, profits and losses by weekends, entries by month, and profit and losses by month. We got these following results. We got a bit drawdown over here, but it eventually recovered and picked up. We ended up with $917. So thank you for watching. You can get this EA, the link is in the description below. If you get the Mastermind AI, I'll throw in an added EA for free for you to test, use on a demo account, then later on use on your real account to make profits.